This is my new addition, but it does not work. So I had to come up with a new solution. It left me hanging. He couldn't get that to go in. Plus it's hardwood. It's been sitting out in the weather curing for the last 4 years. Give or minus the last 4 years. When I got started, those looks like that. Now they look like that. This is an old historic tool. That's an inheritance of mine. So I've never used one of these before. So let's make fun of ourselves. Or make fun of me as I struggle to figure out how to use it. Alright. So during the 17th century, the British Honduras Territory region area was mapped and was under the Spanish crown, as in the New World belonged to the Empire of Spain, and it was a part of the Empire of Spain. But with the claiming of new territory, land, fortune, wealth, bring anyone who is destitute, hungry, and starving for an opportunity or a chance to change their life and live a comfortable life. Back then, families could have more than one kid, but the firstborn was the only one that was allowed to be able to inherit. So with that said, during the 17th century, I'd have to do more facts checking. I wasn't so much checking on whether it was still considered a territory for both. Well, not entirely. I don't think the British had rights to it at that point. They claimed it, they were using it, they were here, but they hadn't sought to claim it based on the fact that the guys that was here was based on piracy. It was a pirate base, and piracy was the main source of for them to basically survive, because conditions living as indentured servants, slaves, and all this other stuff was horrible and horrendous. So they refused to do that. They wanted to take control and live according to their own desire, not to someone else's wish, will, and conditions. So the area was kind of like broke off from the Bay of Honduras and then became British Honduras somewhat, where it's transformed to a state where pirates was there, which was Europeans living in an unauthorized logging / settlement operating in defiance of Spain's sovereignty. But yeah, this is pretty awesome and cool drill bit. I wonder if I could find anything like that right now. If you think we can find something like that outside of the great nation of Belize, hit me up. Let's see if we can get some of these. I need to get some of these types of drill bit that goes inside. The truck in here is not like the modern truck. It's geared more for latching on to something like this. So that's why I was making fun of myself about this drill bit, because this is not meant to be in there. I mean, this is not a drill bit, it's a T25 screwdriver. kind of figured that I might need some clamps, so let me see if I can go get some clamps. This tip is something borrowed, something lightly used, and it's not gonna work to drive in the screw because it's kind of worn out. But I got pretty close. I have to stop before I strip out the screw head and then make it impossible. But an interesting fact is that the coastline was used by the English and the Dutch pirates as a base to attack Spanish ships and attack trade, as in trying to weaken the Spanish Empire based on all the different merchandise that was returning back to Europe. Yes, Spain claimed the entire region, not just Belize, but the entire region. The entire Western Hemisphere belonged to its empire, but the Bayman settlers maintained tenuous unauthorized presence in 1638, albeit semi-mythical settlement for buccaneer Peter Wallace. During the 1650s to roughly 1670s, it switched from a temporary / seasonal camps to small communities. In 1670, the Treaty of Madrid allowed the British traders rights to the area, yet Spain did not acknowledge British sovereignty. Early settlement was composed of woodcutters. Baymans later include enslaved Africans. I haven't used these in like almost 6 to 7 years. First time using this, doing well. I wasn't expect to catch on. One thing I found that I was a little too short, so I start standing on the stack of woods, gain leverage, height, and be able to maintain control and use it. I do have some modern beds that has the same threaded hair and same design, and it pulls real hard when the drill, when this starts to bite, it's like running a drill bit like 100 times stronger going into the wood, because it's screwing itself into it as it cuts. Pretty impressive that I have something like this that is new, and then this that's fairly old, that's been handed down to me by the great Smilers. Next thing is to see if I can get a set of these, find where I can buy a set of these. If anyone know, let me know, help me out. I like to get different sizes. Now I gotta take a break and move on to something else.